So I am on my way to school to pack up my classroom. I have 4 hours to do everything, which is crazy to me. So I did make a list of everything I have to do. We have 4 hours, or at least since I'm staying in my classroom, I only have 4 hours. Teachers that were like moving out or stuff had a whole day, but I have 4 hours to pack up all of the kids' things and pack up my room. So it's gonna be interesting. I do have my husband helping me out, so hopefully that will make things go super fast, but I am very stressed out. I made what I have to do inside the classroom, in the office, and then a list of things that I need to bring home. I know I'll probably find other things to do, but these were stuff that I definitely knew I had to do. So first off, I need to clear out their book boxes and put them in the bags. That's the main thing. I need to find all of their books that they owe to the library, or books that I have checked out. We are giving them a Bluebonnet book, so we have 3 different ones for next year, and then I just separated them kind of by level. I need to take everything down from the walls, label textbooks, locations, organize my EDL2, and then that's gonna be rough because I was just using it the week before we left. And then clean out my fridge, microwave, erase all the whiteboard, clean up my mess, and that's a big mess. Take all the food, move everything to one side, and if I do have time, I want to organize my library, just because it was nice to come back the next year knowing that it was organized this year. And then these are things that I have to do for the office, and then what I want to bring. Do you want to say that the last day I was at school was March 8th, and we had a field trip. So I literally did not do any cleaning before, because since we weren't gonna do anything for spring break, I had planned to come in a day and tackle all of my paperwork and stuff, but of course that didn't happen. So yeah, get ready to see a huge mess. This is the current status of my classroom, and we don't even know where to begin with because it's so overwhelming, such a mess. So Eric is separating the books that belong to me or the library and things that they have to take. And then meanwhile, I was attacking this mess, which was just basically a lot of papers. From the outside world. And here is the after. I do still need to take down the chart, but I'm pretty much done. And here is my desk area. A lot of paperwork again. So I just had to go through it and put it where it belongs. We took a 5-minute break to enjoy our lunch provided by our awesome principal for teacher appreciation. And this is what the room is looking like. So Eric finished organizing my running record books. I was continuing to pass out papers, and then we went ahead and passed out their Bluebonnet books with my special bookmark. Okay, piles are ready to go. Now we just need to take everything out in the hallway and start bagging it up. Okay, this is what 5 hours of work looked like. We literally just shoved all of my books there. I'm gonna come back and do that. That is somewhat still a mess. This area is pretty clean. Everything's kind of there. I still need to clear off that table and the floor, but we're getting there. Okay, it is now 5. We got kicked out. We did get to stay an extra hour than the till 4 that they had told us, but as you saw, there was no way that I could have finished. Packing up the student things took a really long time. Thankfully he was able to mainly focus on that the first 3 hours or so, and then while I cleaned around, so it was very helpful. I am gonna have to come back. Originally they had said that we couldn't, but since now I guess they saw that most of the people aren't able to finish, they are going to allow us to come back next week. So either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday or something like that. I haven't heard it officially yet, so I have to wait for the email. But we can't come tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday. So yeah, but as you could see, I still have a bunch of mess left.